Hello students, today is your first day in class 11 and before starting our topic, I would like to tell you about your stream. See, in class 11th commerce, you will have 5 subjects in which first subject will be English and that is common for all. Means for commerce students as well as for science students and for humanities students also. English is compulsory for all. Now next will be your accountancy, next will be business studies, and after that you will have eco. And this time eco is having two part, one will be micro and another will be stats. So these 4 subjects are compulsory for all. After that you are having one more subject, 5th subject, and that is optional. In this subject you will be given various options. Out of these options you have to select any one according to your capabilities. Now see what options you are having. Generally I am telling common options which a school is having, and that is maths, then computer science, Hindi and physical education. So generally a school is having these options. Out of these options you have to select any one. So these are your 5 subjects in class 11. Now I would like to start with our first topic, that is meaning of accounting. What is meaning of accounting? I would like to give you a brief. Students, you know businessman throughout the year goods की buying and selling में busy रहता है, and at the end of the year he want to know whether he is earning sufficient profit or suffering loss. There are more things which he want to know, like during the year उसने कितनी goods purchase किया है, कितना goods sell किया है, what are his purchase return, what are his sales return, कितने उसके direct expenses रहे हैं और कितने उसके office and administrative expenses रहे हैं, and what are his other incomes also. Same way he want to know what is his amount of capital at the end of the year and what is the amount he is having as cash or cash at bank, कितना उनको डेटर्स से अमाउंट रिसीव करना है, कितना अमाउंट क्रेडिटर्स को पे करना है, अगर ड्यूरिंग द ईयर कोई बैंक लोन लिया है तो व्हाट इज द स्टेटस ऑफ दैट बैंक लोन. सो आंसर ऑफ ऑल दीज क्वेश्चन इज योर सब्जेक्ट एंड दैट इज accountancy. So what is accountancy? I will explain in a simple way. That is, accountancy is the art of recording, classifying and summarizing in a significant manner and in terms of money, transaction and events which are in part at least of a financial character and interpreting the result thereof. This definition is according to American Institute of Certified Public Accountants. My dear students, see what this definition is saying. As a learner accountant, we have to record, classify and summarize all those business transactions which can be presented in terms of money. So ऐसी transaction जिसकी कोई monetary value नहीं है, चाहे जितना भी qualitative aspect हो, उसको आप accounting में नहीं ला सकते. Means इस तरह की transaction की आप accounting नहीं कर सकते. तो सबसे पहले as an accountant आपको क्या करना होगा, आपको जितनी भी transactions होंगी उसमें से सारी के सारी वो ट्रांजैक्शंस विच कैन बी प्रेजेंटेड इन टर्म्स ऑफ मनी, और जिनको आप ऐसे कर सकते हैं कि वो ट्रांजैक्शन जो फाइनेंशियल नेचर की है उनको आपको अलग से साइड करना है और उनकी आपको अकाउंटिंग करनी है. तो दिस इज द मीनिंग ऑफ अकाउंटिंग. इन माय नेक्स्ट वीडियो आई विल टेल अबाउट फ्यू कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स एंड ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ अकाउंटिंग. थैंक यू वेरी मच.